Hi everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today we made birds for story time. So I am going to show you what we did. This was so much fun and the kids absolutely loved it. So this bird has a string on it so that you could make it dance or make it fly like a little kite. They are simple blob birds with stringy legs that you can dance along, and they are super simple. So depending upon the age of the kids, they can color, they can make it like that. So here he is, and let's do it. So what you need is a little blob of paper. Any shape, doesn't matter. Put a hole in the top for your string. I've got some little feet, just simple feet, couple of wings, and I used some wallpaper. So this is some wallpaper scraps that I cut. So we can put them on. You can put them in the front. You can put them in the back. You can make them so he's flying up or flapping down. You can put one in the front, one in the back, whatever you want. Then I have a beak and some super fun eyes. And so let's do it. And every time you do your bird, it's going to look different. So everybody is going to come up with different ideas on how to make and decorate their birds. So there we go. And if I do that right here, I'm going to do it so these kind of down like that. This one. And I'm going to do a little right there. Like that. Oh, I like him. Super cute. And what I'm going to do, I want to have some feathers on mine in the front. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put some glue on here. And these are just some pieces left over from some flower petals, and it works great. So I can literally make tufts. Actually, I should have started at the bottom, so let's do that. Let's start at the bottom with my feathers so that then they layer on top of each other like this. Gives them a little more character. And like that. And oh my goodness, look at this crazy bird. So fun. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have some string. I'm going to cut 2 pieces. I'm going to cut one long strip. Okay, so this one is going to be my top. So I'm going to tie this in a knot. Just going to knot this really quick like this. Do a loopy-la like that. Okay, so now I have a loop with a knot. I'm going to put my loop through. You can have your kids pull them through, thread it like that, put that through, and pop it on just like that. And then they have a loop to hold on to so that they can run with their bird or whatever. And then I have another piece right here that I am going to fold in half like this. 1, 2. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And then I'm going to tape those on. So here are my feet. Okay, so I'm going to tape a leg on and another leg on. And then I'm going to tape my feet right at the bottom like that. So there's one. So there's one foot. And here's my second foot like this. And I've just taped it on. And then you could go like this. And I think it would be really cute to do some tuft feathers at the top. I think he needs some tufty feathers. But your kids can decorate it any way that they want. Oh my goodness, so cute. So I'm gonna put those right on like that. And this one is a much fancier bird than this one, but your kids can decorate it any way that they want, and then you can run with them, you can make them dance like that, whatever you would like. They are super simple, they use a bunch of scraps, and they are great for all ages. Today I had 2 and 3-year-olds, and you could do this with older kids, and they could get really creative in how they make their birds and all of that. So happy blob bird making today. Happy crafting. It's fun to be a little silly. Hugs, Miss Amy.